The tragic stampede in Uttar Pradesh, in which over 100 lives were lost in a horrifying incident during a religious congregation in Hathras. Tragedy struck in Fulrai village in Hathras, Uttar Pradesh, as a stampede during the conclusion of a satsang claimed over 100 lives. The event, attended by thousands, turned fatal as overcrowding and suffocation led to panic chaos. The satsang, a Hindu religious congregation, usually attracts a large number of crowd. On this fateful day, an overwhelming number of devotees gathered in a specially lit tent. As the religious preachers concluded his sermon, the crowd began to disperse, triggering the stampede. The eyewitness said that it was incredibly hot and humid. People started feeling uneasy, and suddenly everyone was rushing to get out. There was no way to move, and we fell on top of each other. Among the deceased, there were 23 women, 3 children, and 1 man. The bodies were rushed to Etah Hospital for identification and autopsy. As per the senior superintendent of police, Etah, Rajesh Kumar Singh, 27 bodies arrived in Etah Hospital. Among those killed are 23 women, 3 children, and a man. Some of the victims identified include Ganga Devi, 70, from Hathras, Priyanka, 20, from Kasganj, Jasoda, 70, from Mathura, Saroj, Lata, 60, from Etah. Now, what was the cause of the stampede? Initial reports suggested that the stampede was caused by suffocation and overcrowding, with temperatures soaring and tent filled beyond capacity. Discomfort led to panic. The rush to exit the venue resulted in people falling over each other, causing the deadly stampede. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath expressed his condolence to the families and the victims' family and directed officials to expedite relief measures. Emergency services were deployed immediately to assist the injured and manage the situation. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath expressed his condolence to the victims' family and directed officials to expedite relief measures. Emergency services were employed immediately to assist the injured and manage the situation. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered an investigation to the incident. The ADG Agra and Commissioner Aligarh are leading to inquiry to determine the exact cause and prevent such tragedies in future. This tragic event has left a deep scar on the community of Hathras. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their family. We will continue to bring you the update as more information becomes available. Stay tuned with us for continuous coverage on this developing story.